Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the essential steps of acquiring an Australian passport for your newborn. First, let's discuss the eligibility requirements. Your newborn must be an Australian citizen and must not have had a passport before. Next, gather the necessary documents. You'll need a birth certificate, identification for both parents, and proof of parentage. Now, complete the Australian passport application form. Ensure that all sections are filled out accurately. Let's talk about passport photos for your newborn. The photo must be clear, with a plain white background, showing the baby's face with eyes open. Once you have everything ready, it's time to submit the application. You can do this in person at a passport office or by mail. Don't forget about the fees. There's a cost associated with the application. Make sure to check the latest fees online. Processing times can vary. Typically, it takes about 10 to 12 weeks. You can track your application status online. Congratulations! Once processed, your passport will arrive by mail. Check it thoroughly to ensure all details are correct. Finally, let's discuss some tips. Ensure your documents are not expired and avoid common mistakes like incorrect photo size.